Hey folks, it's Casey from The Nerdy Photographer, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to load and unload film from the Yashica 635. This is a twin lens reflex medium format film camera. So let's get into it.
So here we have the Yashica 635 TLR twin lens reflex camera. Let's take a look at how to operate this bad boy. We have this little flash unit there. You can also load 35mm film into this. We'll do a whole separate video about that. Over here on the right-hand side, we have our, focus distance dial knob. We also have our winding knob. Up here, we're looking down. On the right-hand side, the dial on the right-hand side of the lenses adjusts your shutter speed. A little hard to read there. And then the one on the left adjusts your aperture. So you dial in your aperture there. So now we got the back of the panel. Let's load this thing with some film. Go down to the bottom and we loosen this knob on the bottom so that it releases and pops up. Now I've taken the spool that's normally here at the bottom because when the film, when you wind all the film off the roll, you have a spool down at the bottom. I moved that up to the top already so that it can be the pickup spool for this roll of film. So I take my 120 film, because it takes 120 film, and unless you've got the kit for putting 35mm into this, again, do that in a separate video. Your roll of film has to go on top of that little metal thing right there, and get it to pop in, get the dial to pop in there, and we pull it out. We pull the paper out, and we take the little tab that's the end of the paper, and we pull that out, and we place that in the slot on the pickup spool at the top of the camera. Get it in there, and then we start winding. Again, that's the top knob on the right-hand side of the camera is the winding knob. Keep winding. And we want to get that double arrows pointing at the red dots you can see there on the sides of the camera inside. Make sure that the double arrow lines up with the red dots. All right, now let's close it back up. Turn the knob on the bottom of the camera to tighten it up, tighten that screw up so it's... Oh, then you'll see there's a small window just above the aperture, or the focus dial. It says S and start. And then we need to wind the dial up here. Sorry. I thought that I needed to wind that with the button in. I don't think I do. And we're winding and we're winding and we're winding. And we get to 1. So we're ready to start taking photos. All right. So down here, this green light is where you arm your shutter. Then the button at the bottom, that's your shutter release button. Then it's a look down. You have our top down viewfinder. It's kind of hard to see through here with the angle of the camera to actually get a view through the viewfinder of what it's looking at. And then here's your focus knob. You also get you can see the focus distances. This is a great thing. Both lenses moving together. That's a TLR for you folks. Twin lens reflex. But you can see the where those match up. So when you get done, when you get to the end of your roll, you just keep winding. It'll come off, and then you just open up the back of the camera just like you did before. Pretty simple. It's a very simple design. It is a heavy camera. I hope you enjoy your time with it.
Folks, I hope that you found this video about the Yashica 635 helpful. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If there's something else you'd like to see in a future video, let me know about that in the comments as well. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos on how to operate and use other types of vintage film cameras and plenty of other stuff. And until next time, stay safe and stay nerdy.
Want more great videos?
be sure to subscribe. You can also get access to exclusive content and early access to new videos by becoming a member of our channel. What are you waiting for? Sign up today.